The comet NEOWISE has changed color. It was originally white. But now many observers from around the world have reported that the comet, since the last night, had turned green. That is very strange. I insist this happened since the last night, and it seems the comet is getting as it close to the Earth, changing color, originally from white to a green. And we will tell you what that means for the chemical composition of the comet. A green color means there is a green gas, plasma, in the tail of the comet, and it's around Coma, or the head of the comet, as it gets closer to the Earth tomorrow. Green color is the sign of the poisonous gas cyanogen. It is made of 2 atoms of nitrogen and 2 atoms of carbon. And the gas is responsible for killing of millions of people during the First World War. Europeans killed millions of each other's soldiers through this gas. Perhaps there is no family who has not one person killed through that gas. Another cause of the color of the comet is the diatomic carbon. It's a gas again. We know carbon usually is in the form of solid, but in this case it is gas. And it is formed by joining of 2 atoms of carbon together in what is known as a covalence bond. It is a fact that the comets have this gas on them, and we know this. And we know that the comet NEOWISE is also getting closer to the Earth as it approaches the Earth in the Thursday, 23rd of July. Some may say this reminds us of the prophecies of the ancient astronomers. They considered the comets as omens of death, war, and disease. And this is unanimous among the astronomers of all cultures and all ages. Some say that the gas in the comets is very thin and rarefied. Let's hope they are right.